Anaheim peppers are some of the most well-balanced in flavor and versatility peppers out there on the market. And every summer in the town of Hatch, New Mexico, they put out one crop of Hatch green chilies. They're a form of the Anaheim pepper. It's just that particular strand that is grown there in Hatch, New Mexico. They only get one crop a year. It's available for about a month, and if you're able to get to them, you need to jump on it because the flavor is amazing. They're a little hotter than a standard Anaheim pepper, but man, today we're gonna roast up some salsa, some tomatillo salsa with Hatch green chilies. We're gonna roast them up on the Weber kettle. Stay tuned. Start by loading the grill up on the indirect side and getting these peppers and onions and tomatillos nice and soft with some heat. And once they start getting softened up, we'll finish them off over the coals to get that char and actually roast it. Once all of our roasting is done, we place them back on the indirect heat side and let these bad boys soften all the way up. But then we're ready to let them cool inside, get these stems off, get them into the food processor. This turned out absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it is just beautiful. The color, you see those roasted specks of the skin there, and then the seeds and the greens, and just really, really beautiful scoop, because, I mean, this is really just a spoon for whatever you're eating, right? Salud. This is good. If you like recipes like this, go ahead and get a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. We love you. Drink more water. Need to weed eat.